Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video. Now, thank you for coming to this bonus page for Pindrill. Down below, you'll find out more information about the software and all of the bonuses as well available with Pindrill. I'm excited about the software today because it's about Pinterest. And not only will it allow you to post on Pinterest, but a number of other social networks. As you can see, I've connected up a number of the social networks here that I've got available. Now, this will post to Pinterest, Twitter, Tumblr, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Now, I need to mention this because they've told me Facebook isn't here. It usually would be right here. It's not here right now because they're going through a review process with Facebook and they expect it to be ready for launch. They will have Facebook advertised with the launch, and they expect that Facebook will be available by the time that this product goes live. Just in case, I wanted to let you know that Facebook isn't in here right now. They intend on having it in there very soon. So this software, it's a updating software for all of these social networks, and it allows you to update in two ways. So let me describe why this might be useful and where this might fit into your online strategy. First of all, you'll know that I have a number of social media networks. My wife and I, we travel a lot and we like to update about our travels. We like to share that, and we're building up a following over Instagram in preparation for a new website we're launching, and it's been a lot of fun. We take photos as we travel and update to this social network. We also update to Facebook, for example. So we've got Traveling Entrepreneurs Facebook page, and we also update to a number of other social networks. We do this. The main reason we do this is in preparation for our launch and reaching a wider market. Now, what this software will allow us to do, for example, is we'll be able to post to all of these different places instantly, immediately, and better yet, if we connect the software up with our website, we won't have to do anything else. All we have to do is update our website and the software will post for us. So let me show you where this might be useful. Now, before I go into the demonstration, I need to show you Pinterest. If you don't know anything about Pinterest, it's a popular social network, a fast-growing social network that many businesses use to advertise their businesses, post images, and share content. There's a lot of users on Pinterest that use this to list their photographs like you do on Instagram, except a lot of the photographs, as you can see, are quite exotic. They market their businesses on here, and they like to pin content that they like onto Pinterest. Everyone on Pinterest has what's called a Pinterest board. All right, so as you can see here, I've just recently created a Pinterest board. Now, I don't personally use Pinterest. I can see the benefit in Pinterest. I can see why a lot of people use Pinterest because they can get a lot of exposure using these boards. I have a board. I created it through my Pinterest account, and in order to use this software, you'll need to have a board as well. This is my board right here. I've got one board. I haven't posted anything on this yet. I have 387 followers, and I'm following currently 50 people on Pinterest that I'm interested in, that I wanted to find out more about. So I need to start posting some content to this. So I thought, well, perfect. Let's add Traveling Entrepreneurs onto Pinterest and see if we can generate some traffic that way. So in order to use this software, first of all, what we need to do is go into the software and click on Social Accounts. When you go to Social Accounts, you'll be able to connect up all of the different social accounts you'd like to connect with the software. Pinterest, Twitter, Tumblr, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Now, I don't have a Tumblr account, and I don't have much interest in adding a Tumblr account right now. You can add a Tumblr account if you have a Tumblr account. Facebook will be listed here once it's approved, and that will be also available to be connected up. If you wanted to, you could add multiple accounts, and I believe they've got an upgrade where you can actually add client accounts as well. So you'll be able to add clients' accounts to this system. Once you've connected up all of your social networks, the next thing you need to go is go back to dashboards. Now, dashboard is where you're going to manage all of your posts. Now, there's two different ways of doing this, okay? Going into this section right here. The first way to update your profiles and your pages is to actually add content here. So we could say, hey, traveling today, and we could add a URL back to our website. So we might have backersbonus.com/Pindrill, for example. Obviously I'm using this domain as an example. We click on that. What it's going to do now is it's going to grab an image from that page. So as we wait, it's going to grab an image from backersbonus.com/Pindrill. As it's doing that, we could also, if we wanted to, instead of grabbing an image from here, click Add Photo. So we could actually upload our own photo if we wanted to from our desktop, or if we wanted to, we could actually search around the web for infographics or quotes that we would like to post to our social networks. So let's go ahead and search. We're searching for travel posts. Here they are here. I'm on a slower internet connection today, so you'll see it'll load a bit slower. It's got infographics, and as we go down, you'll also start to see some quotes that'll start appearing. If you don't see any quotes, but you want quotes, untick infographics, click search again, and you'll be able to find just travel-related posts that have to do with quotes. Here we are. We travel not to escape life, but for life not to escape us. All right, well, that sounds cool. So what we can do is if we like one of these images, we can click on schedule. We can actually choose to schedule this in. It'll have our URL here if we wanted it to. Let's add something else. So I'll add in laptopstartup.com/start. And I'm just going to use that URL. Cool, that can be our URL. It'll grab an image from there. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this as our image that we're going to publish. This will be the URL we're promoting to get people back to our website, because obviously that's the point in promoting over social media. It's to drive traffic. We want people to come back to our website. You'll see it's loading a bit slower. I'm on a slower internet connection today, so it's going to be a little bit slower. But you'll see here, once I post this, it will be published. Now we get to choose is whether we want to publish now or whether we want to schedule our post for later. Once we post, it's going to post to all of the social networks that we connected. So we'll be able to post this to all of the different social networks. That's my wife having a bit of fun. And here's me in Chinatown in Holland. So let's just run with that. So we've gone ahead. We've added this in. Then if we want to, we can click publish, either publish now or we can schedule in for later. If I wanted to, I'd probably choose to schedule in for later, so I could choose a peak time that I want to update to. So it might be 11 a.m. for example, it might be at night. Please select any social account from the sidebar. It's telling me to select a social account from the sidebar. So we're going to choose which accounts we're going to upload to. I like the sound of uploading to all of them. I won't upload to this one because my wife will kill me if I start updating it. She's in charge of updating Instagram. So let's go ahead and let's schedule this post in. We're going to click schedule, and now what it's going to do is it's going to schedule in our post to post on all of these different social networks all at once. It's done within one interface here, and that's the benefit of the software. It's going to save you time because it's going to help you to find the posts that you should be posting. It'll help you find images to post. It'll help you promote your URL, and it will allow you to schedule in your posts to all these different social media networks. And it's going to help you generate traffic because it's going to post to all of these social networks, including Facebook. Hopefully they'll have that in there soon. And then that's going to help you to generate more traction for your website. Now it's taken a little bit of time to load. I believe that's because of my internet connection. When I was testing this out before, it was working very smoothly. So there you are. And then we've got publish posts, and we have our scheduled posts that get listed here. So as you've got your posts scheduled, they'll be listed down here so you can review them at a later date and see for yourself whether they've been posted successfully. There is also as well, and I'm just going to schedule that again just in case, there's also as well a statistics analytics part to the software. So let me show you that. You now know how to update for this with this software. You know the benefit in using it. It's going to post to Pinterest. We'll see if it's posted already. It may have already posted, and actually no, it won't because we scheduled it in. And it's going to post to those other social networks as well. Now we're going to go to website analytics. Now website analytics in itself gives you the Google Analytics that you get back to your website as a result of this software. So it's basically going to showcase how much traffic you have from these different social networks and how effective your campaigns are going to be. It shows you all the demographics from where the traffic's coming from, what country, what city, which browsers, and whereabouts it's coming from as well. Useful statistics that'll help your business to do this as well. And you'll need to connect up Google Analytics, and you'll also need to have an active SSL certificate. So there's some training on that if you want to go ahead and do that and make sure that that's available. It's also got social analytics as well, and this is going to showcase what kind of traction you're getting over social media. So let's load this up, social analytics, and we need to connect our bit.ly account in order to get that information. Bit.ly basically is a software you can connect up that'll grab all the data about how effective you're being over social media for your company. Cool. Now that's the first way that people can post. Let's cover now the second way that people can post. The second way takes a little bit more time. All right. So the second way, we click on bulk scheduler. The bulk scheduler is the second type of post we can create. Now what we want to do is we want to click on this, add your website custom feed. what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to connect your website with this software. And every time that your website posts something, the software is going to post as well. Now, I've just updated this right here. This is backersbonus.com/Pindrill. It's gone ahead and I've added all my details. Okay, so what I've done is I've downloaded this plugin, Pindrill settings here. I've downloaded this plugin and I'm just connecting up my website right now. So I'll go into Pindrill settings, I'll connect up the token, submit and sync. What it's going to do is it's going to notify Pindrill that I've actually, connected up this WordPress plugin, and then when I click connect and sync here, it's going to start that connect and sync process. So you'll see down here it says, congratulations, thanks for adding this to your website successfully. It may take 15 minutes to properly sync with your data. You can do this with Shopify as well. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow you then to choose from categories inside of your blog and posts, or the post category. It'll basically then automatically post around social media as you post to your WordPress blog. So it's an automatic marketer. Now it's going to take about 15 minutes to go, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this video here and I'm going to re-upload the video later on after this is actually completed. So if you're seeing this video now, come back in a few minutes time or in an hour or so and you'll actually see this this updated and I'll add the extra part to this video showing this as I wait for it to be done. The launch is about to begin. I have to get this email out to you to make sure you understand what the software does, and I'll be updating this video, the end of this video, when this gets going. But from the demo video down below, you can see this in action. Really cool software. It's going to be great with WordPress, great with Shopify. I believe these are upgrade features. CSV import is really cool because then it means you can bulk import all of those updates. And yeah, this is what the software does, an all-in-one 6 social media account updating software that allows you to see all of the analytics you'd want to see, post really easily to these social networks automatically, and it'll also have Facebook, which will be appearing here very soon as well after you get access to the software, if you decide to get access to the software today. Cool, so I hope this was informational. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Post in backersboard.com. I have a review and questions section set up for that, so if you want to ask questions or offer your own reviews on this software, then the link to that is down below, so you can check that out if you want to, or get access early to this software to get all those bonuses that I'm offering with it today. And I look forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for coming to this bonus page. I look forward to talk with you again soon. See you later.